Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video. So just got done mowing for a client, and the neighbor asked me to give them an estimate for a retaining wall down the sidewalk here, about 4 feet high. Well, I guess you'd say 4 feet high, level with the ground, I guess you could say. So bring the dirt out to here, build a retaining wall all the way down. So obviously dig it back, put a footer in, all that fun stuff. Dig this back, build a retaining wall up to the steps on both sides, down this side, and all the way to right here. Fill all this in with dirt. So level to here, full of dirt, to the back of the retaining wall. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I gave them a price, an estimate. I measured it out, the block and everything that I would have in it. They said, okay, well, can you take payments? I kind of stood there stunned for a couple seconds. I was like, what do you mean payments? I said I would require, you know, at least the material up front, and then, you know, we'll go from there with the labor once I'm done. Oh, well, can't you take payments on that? I was like, well, what do you mean in payments? They said $100 a week. Excuse me? $100 a week for what? $3,500? $4,000? Are you kidding me? I said, there's no way I could do that. I couldn't put that much money up front for the labor, the materials, finish the job, and then wait to get paid over a several year period. I've never heard of anything like that. I don't think you guys have ever done anything like that either. Unless it's a, you know, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 job. Okay, yeah. You know, obviously you're not going to get $50,000, $60,000 up front. But yeah, she's then they had the nerve to ask me, well, do you know of any other landscaping companies that do retaining walls that would, you know, be willing to work with us? And I said, honestly, there's no one in this profession that would do that. At least none that I've seen in the past 25 years of doing this. So let me know down in the comments, guys, what you think about that. I was pretty caught off guard by the would you take payments, you know. So anyway, guys, I will let you go. Be safe out there. It is hot and humid. There goes med flight taking off from the hospital. Somebody's obviously having a worse day than I am. So anyway, be safe out there, drink plenty of fluids, and be safe, guys. Peace.